Zapposcom review. Is Zappos legit or scam? Zapposcom review. Is Zappos legit or scam? If you love online shopping for shoes, clothes, and accessories, you've probably heard of Zapposcom. Most people get this wrong by assuming all big-name online stores are identical in quality and service. The surprising truth is that Zapposcom is one of the most reliable and customer-friendly online retailers in the market. You won't believe what happens next. Zappos offers a huge selection of shoes, apparel and accessories with clear product descriptions and reviews. Shipping is fast, often free, and returns are simple with a 365-day return policy. Customers frequently praise their responsive customer service and hassle-free exchanges. Some minor drawbacks include occasional pricing differences compared to competitors and limited stock for certain popular items. However, the overall shopping experience is highly rated and trustworthy. Zappos also employs secure payment systems, ensuring your information is protected. In conclusion, Zapposcom is a legitimate and highly reputable online retailer. Whether you're shopping for everyday footwear or fashion finds, you can trust Zappos for quality products, excellent service, and a safe shopping experience.